This protocol offers a simple, relatively fast method for synthesizing high surface area, high aspect ratio platinum and platinum alloy macrobeams and macrotubes with a square cross-section.
The salts and plating method allows control of the template metal-ion ratio and resulting mass composition, and of the macrobeam and macrotube nanostructures.
Macrobeam and macrotube press films may address the need for integral three-dimensional electrodes for catalysis and sensing applications.
The ability of Magnus salt derivatives to be chemically reduced to form macrobeams and macrotubes suggests that the salt templating synthesis method may be applied to a wider range of metal salts.
To prepare Magnus salts with a 1:0:1 platinum 2 positive to platinum 2 negative ratio, add 0.5 milliliters of 100 millimolar potassium tetrachloroplatinate into a microfuge tube, and forcefully pipette 0.5 milliliters of 100 millimolar tetraamine platinum 2 chloride hydrate in water into the tube. The resulting 1 milliliter volume salt needle template solutions will exhibit an opaque light green color. To prepare a 1:1:0 platinum palladium salt needle template, add 0.5 milliliters of tetraamine platinum 2 chloride hydrate in water to a microcentrifuge tube, and forcefully pipette 0.5 milliliters of 100 millimolar sodium tetrachloropalladate to the tube. To prepare a 2:1:1 platinum palladium salt needle template, add 0.25 milliliters of 100 millimolar sodium.